A healthy flock starts with good nutrition. Hi, I'm Alan Smith. If you know me, you know I'm crazy about chickens. I mean, after all, look at the size of this chicken house I built. So for me, caring for my chickens is very important. Apart from having clean water, quality feed that supplies necessary nutrients is one of the most important parts of keeping your flock healthy and happy. On my last visit to the big Ohio National Poultry Show, I got a chance to talk to Sherry McCullough. She's a poultry exhibitor that shares my love for raising healthy chickens, and she just happens to be a silky lover too.
I raise bearded black and white silkies and black cochins. When I was a kid, we had a farm, and so I was raised with chickens, but we had chickens for a different purpose. We raised them for eggs and meat, and we raised white leghorns. So my parents would get a straight run of chicks, and then we would grow them up and eat the roosters and keep the hens for layers. As I got older and got married, I really wanted to have my own farm, so that's the first animals that we put on our farm animals were chickens. And it started out just with pretty chickens, and then I found silkies on the internet, and I was just like, I was totally in love because they were so different than any other chicken that I had ever seen. When I start hatching out my chicks, I think nutrition is a huge part of just the beginning. Keeping their conditions clean, making sure they have clean water, making sure they have good food, and it just kind of continues and you build on that. You really got to start it out when they're really young, when they're babies. I plan on being around for a long time. A long time. Right, girl?